Hey there, nature explorer. Imagine these plants as the cool superheroes of the plant world, the ones without tubes like water-loving sponges. Let's dive into the awesome realm of non-vascular plants, where they don't need fancy tubes, but they've got their own superpowers. Meet the moss squad. These non-vascular plants don't have tubes, so they soak up water like a superhero paper towel.
Look at the moss growing on rocks. It's like a green carpet having a water party.
Mosses, unlike ferns, don't bother with seeds. They're all about making sporengia, little pods filled with spores that can grow into new plant poles. Mosses are like nature's survivors.
They can handle deserts and rainy days alike.
They're so cool that they have their own club called Bryophyta. It's like the Moss League.
And guess what?
You can even find them in the desert, proving they're the ultimate water warriors.
Now let's talk about lichens. They're like the dynamic duos of the plant world, a team-up of fungus and algae.
Imagine a tiny algae living with a mushroom-like fungus, sharing tasks to stay alive. Teamwork makes the dream work for these fascinating lichens.
And here's a fun fact. Lichens are like little green detectives. If you spot them in an area, take a deep breath because that means the air is as clean as it gets. They're like nature's air quality testers.
Join the non-vascular plant adventure, where nature's superheroes don't need tubes to thrive. They're the ultimate water-absorbing spore-making champions.